Hi, this is the Realme 11 and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So let's open the gallery application. And just let's select a couple of photos which we want to hide. Just tap to hide. Now we should set the privacy password, so just tap to set password. You could use 6-digit password or use different password type. For example, I'll use the pattern. Just enter the pattern. Here we got the security question. You could use one from them or to use your custom question. Then just tap to OK in the right upper corner. Tap to get it. Click to images and videos, tap to this plus icon and just select the photos which you want to hide. Tap to set as private and that's it. So now just to find these just hidden photos, we could open the settings, privacy, and click here to privacy section, tap to private save, enter your password and find them here. Also you could just open your photos, switch photos to albums and tap to hide and enter your privacy password, and that's it. To unhide these photos, just select them, tap to set as public, switch them to the camera roll. They successfully set as public. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.